Well, hello, this is Leanne, and today I'm going to share with you the unboxing of a new device that I ordered. It is the new SolaWave 4-in-1 red light therapy tool. Let's open it. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Okay, this is the new SolaWave 4-in-1 red light therapy skin device. This device is meant to use for anti-aging, skin tightening, and it's also supposed to help me with the redness that I have in my face because I have a lot of redness. Let's finish opening it here the rest of the way. So excited, look. Oh, it's got lots of information here. So it's got a getting started, and I'm assuming that's just more information about all the ways to try to use it. Get it out of here. It's packaged really well. It does come with a charger because it is charging and not used with the battery. So I like that. So it means that it's going to be easily used over and over again. So, oh, look at that. It already came on for me. Just turning it. See that red light? I'm so excited.